Hi, good morning, guys. So, if you look at the today newspaper, okay, so what important question can be asked in your upcoming Tamil Nadu state PCS, Karnataka state PCS, Maharashtra PCS, or either it's Telangana or Andhra Pradesh? So, let's look at some of the few important question. Okay, what it is saying: India deploy game changer US weapon along the China border. So, the first question arises: India China border issue. Okay, that's the most important question. What would be second question? Second question would be de facto India China border. Okay, what would be the third question? Tawang, there is a issue in Arunachal. Okay, Ladakh sector. And third question will be asked about the latitudinal and longitudinal. Okay, location of all the regions in the Ladakh UT. Okay, like where is the Kargil, where is the base, Nubra Valley. This kind of question would be asked. So if we go further, okay, if we go further, one question can be arise. 1959 Dalai Lama fled to India across what was the region actually? So there is two very important question. Okay, the first one, listen. People Republic of China. ठीक है, this is now China. Okay, and Republic of China is Taiwan. Always remember the difference between these two one. Okay, so I am getting into a very simple thing telling you. uh, Before the Chinese Revolution, it was further after the World War something. So have you heard about the Kemptong? Yeah. The Kemptong in the China. Okay, Kemptong army, that was the king. Like you have heard about the king Qing Jing, this kind of dynasty. Okay, so there was the revolution happened, communist revolution you can say it. Okay, so Kumtong army was defeated and the Kumtong army decided to go to the island of Taiwan. Okay, that was really means very less population, only filled with the indigenous people in that time in Taiwan. So Kumtong army and its the people traveled to Taiwan and named them alone tiny island and they named it Taiwan. Okay, so the original China who was ruling on the China was actually the people of Taiwan. Okay, the king, the Kyun, these are Kumtong army. And whatever you are seeing today, and that is the Communist Party of China, and that's the People's Republic of China. Okay, so you should always remember difference between Taiwan and China. Okay, and you should know about the Hong Kong, Macau. Okay, Macau was for by Portuguese and it was Portuguese colony Macau, and the Hong Kong was the British colony. Okay, so you should know there, and you should remember the Dalai Lama case. Let's go further. You will get a different questions. So the one important question you should remember: Chipcook helicopter. It is a US made. It is काफी have means it is a very means what airlifting. Okay, lightweight lightweight helicopter. You should remember that one. That's a very important thing you should remember there. Going further, you will get that very important bulk. It is written there. You should remember. Okay. Kindly remember, I am telling a very important fact. In Tawang, okay, Tawang is situated in Arunachal Pradesh, just next to the Bhutan. Okay, and there is China, Bhutan, and Arunachal. Hmm? So that was the same base India is developing, air base brigade, air brigade. Okay, you can call it air brigade. Air brigade means the land where all the aeroplane will come down, take the lift, blow and flow, and that's the called, just like the airport for the civilian planes. The air brigade is called as a military base. Okay, they are developing, and that is the same place where during the World War II, okay, during World War II, US army took up military plane to attack Imperial Japan. Okay, you should use the very important word, that's the Imperial Japan. And they also attacked China from the same base. And now India is developing the Tawang Air Brigade base. That's also to remember all the things. If you want to study from us, you can just text to 9901211904. You can do it WhatsApp or Telegram.